Blogging is often described as an online diary, but that's a bit of an inadequate definition, as it's become much more than just that. We prefer to describe it simply as an easy interface to publish content on the web. Blogs can be used to publish news and reviews and to discuss products and ideas. They are easy to update and an excellent way to communicate online with customers and people interested in a particular industry or topic. From the reader's perspective, a good blog provides useful, free information and helps them to stay informed on the subject of their interest. The internet contains blogs on almost every issue imaginable. In fact, it's estimated that there are currently over 150 million blogs floating around on the internet. Some blogs focus on just one topic, while others talk about a variety of different things. Some blogs are maintained by one person, and others feature a host of different writers. There are a number of very good reasons why affiliates should start a blog. Blogging is extremely simple. They're much easier to use and maintain than a website. At their most basic, blogs don't require any specialist knowledge whatsoever. You log into your account, you write, and you click the publish button. That's about all there is to it. It's partly because of the low barrier to entry and partly because of their diary-like nature that blogs are often less formal than other web content alternatives, and that in itself is another reason why they're great for affiliates. Blogging is a lot easier than writing articles. Create a following and build a reputation as an expert. While not all of us can hope to become a blogging superstar and consequently be asked to publish a book or appear in a movie, we can hope to build something of a reputation as an expert. Acquiring a readership of over 5,000 people is entirely within the realms of possibility. Syndicate via RSS feeds. Well, RSS is a technology that enables people to receive constantly updated information from multiple sources through one reader. Readers work by continually checking pre-specified blogs to see if they have been updated. When a new post appears, the reader alerts the user to the new post and displays the link along with a small excerpt. It's easy to enable RSS on your blog, and if you reliably publish valuable content, you'll gradually build up dozens, if not hundreds, of subscribers who visit on a regular basis. Almost all blogs have a comment function that can be enabled to allow readers to reply to your post and share their thoughts. Commenting lets your readers interact with you and other readers, helping to create a community feel around your blog. And for you, comments are an extremely useful way of keeping your finger on the pulse and receiving feedback. Are there any downsides to blogging? Well, regular updates. For blogs to be effective, they must be updated regularly, otherwise readers lose interest, and so do the search engines. Some people find this a challenge. The good news is that we will be giving you some ideas for content in our content creation lessons. Spam. Perhaps the biggest problem for blog owners is spam. While the comment function is the lifeblood of any good blog, it is also frequently misused by spammers to advertise their websites and products. Fortunately, a lot of blog software writers have cottoned on to this, and most blogs now contain sophisticated features to help reduce spam significantly. So how do you get started? You can either set up a standalone blog or a blog on your own domain. A standalone blog can be set up in just a few minutes via a weblog hosting service. There are 3 weblog services worth a mention. They're Blogger.com. Blogger is a free service and possibly the simplest to use. However, scalability options are limited, and we're not going to be spending time on this service in future lessons. Typepad claims to be the world's most advanced weblog service, but it's also the most expensive, with subscription plans ranging from $4.95 to $89.95 a month. Wordpress.org. WordPress is also free but contains many state-of-the-art publishing features. WordPress is the service we recommend and will be our focus in subsequent Affiliarama lessons on blogging. A lot of people simply set up a blog account with the weblog hosting service and leave it at that. However, this means that your URL is tied to that hosting service, and that can negatively impact on your SEO. Additionally, it doesn't look that professional sending traffic to a WordPress domain name. For these reasons, we think that it's a much better idea to buy a domain name and host your WordPress blog on that. Okay, time for today's lesson summary. In this lesson, we've looked at a basic introduction to blogging. We've looked at the reasons for an affiliate to blog, including blogging is extremely simple. Blogs let you create a following and build a reputation as an expert. Blogs let you easily syndicate content via RSS, making it easy for your audience to find you and follow you. Blogs provide a way to interact with the reader through the use of comments. We also made mention of some popular blogging platforms, including Blogger, Typepad, and WordPress. Right, that's all we've got time for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.